Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the controller model and grabbing the right cable. Newer controllers use USB-C, older ones use micro USB. Plug the cable into the controller first, then into the console or a powered PC port so the controller draws power immediately. Once done, press the Xbox button to wake the controller. It should light up and connect. This wired connection bypasses batteries entirely because the cable supplies power and data. Make sure the cable is seated firmly to avoid intermittent power loss. With the cable connected, you verify the controller shows as connected on your console or PC. On Windows, allow drivers to install or open Xbox accessories to confirm firmware and button mapping. This ensures proper input handling. Once done, disable any wireless adapter or Bluetooth pairing to prevent the controller from switching modes mid-session. Make sure power management settings on your PC won't suspend the USB port. Otherwise, the controller can appear disconnected. These steps reduce latency and keep a steady wired connection for gameplay. You finish by running a quick test. Open a calibration or controller test screen and verify every input registers correctly. This confirms both power and data are passing. If the controller doesn't power, try a known good cable and a different USB port because cables and ports are the most common failure points. Once done, make sure the cable stays connected during play. If problems persist, test the controller on another PC or console to isolate whether the controller or the host is at fault. This single swap identifies the issue fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.